I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark.
Nakita niyo ni Ma'am Nelgin Lupisilio? Ako to. Ma'am, kami itong sa Pag-asa Lending, nagabian din mo ba? Naka-ano ka? Naka-balance sa Pag-asa Lending?
Ano, wala mo yung
Ano,
Wala ko panguntan mo,
Diba, pangalan din ma'am. O, tapos, sa to apartment, nag-video lang niya kay proof lang namo nga nakaabot ni diri. Gisugod ang good man.
Aldous.
Pag-asa Lending, ma'am. Balance.
Ay, joke, pala ko sa camera ni Nanjin, joke. Ni Besh.
Naku, kasi balance na 5 months, 1,250 ang monthly.
Wala mo kapangutang og pag-asa. Mark siya man siguro po.
Ano ba, sige, gamit yung pangalan, ma'am.
Sure niya, Besh siya.
Sige, gamit yung pangalan, ma'am.
Ba?
Besh. Nasa kwarto.
3,750 lang man siya, ma'am.
Wala tayo nagbilin o pangkon.
Dili man ko magbayad, ma'am. Uy, basta. Kuan, ngani lang ba? Ako din sa office.
Ay, no. Naaman among mga documents, gra, ma'am, nga imuhang dito akan.
Oh my God.
Pa-check na lang namo, ma'am.
Asa man ang ano?
Nadali lang sa takinan. Pa-check na lang namo, ma'am.
Ang pwede mo rin ibalikin. Ang dito naman ni. Kailangan lang po yung documents, ma'am, kung hindi ka ba dito,
Darling,
ma'am?
just dive right in.
Kung dili, ma'am, amo, ibalik ka po namo.
I found a
Kwarto mo?
girl,
Ako na lang nagawa.
beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time.
Bakit ba mag-isip sa kita? Puso ko ay kumakagat. Pagkatilayan ko ang ganda.
Ano may idea, ma'am? Kasi nagpadala.
Ang nasada man daw. Ang nasada? Nasada daw.
Ang ika'y
Sada.
Wow! Oh my God! Sana all!
Nasa message. Nasa message mo, ha? To you, my amazing queen, you are all the best in my life. And I can't imagine it without you. Char. You're sweeter than any of the sweeteners and sugar ever known to mankind. You are all natural, walang halong artificial. I hope your cutie wishes and dreams will all come true. I want you to be the happiest, lovely woman in this world. I am so thankful for this every day because the highest creator has sent you on this world. I really do thank him so much, and also Mama and Papa. A gorgeous and lovely lady was born. Wow! are not enough, and it will never be nor the word to describe how spectacular amazing you are. So please accept the letter I author for this are coming from my heart just for you. I want you to enjoy your special day, and I pray to the Almighty that He will always bless you and grant all your prayers. P.S. Bawi lang po pag uli.
Alam ko na kung sino!
Happy Kitty Day, my queen, Mama Meow. I love you muches. Love you so much, Papa Do, all the way from Vancouver, Canada. Happy birthday, Ma.
Ay, lakte.
Nagtagod siya ako niya.
Ayaw, hilang.
Ay, lakte. Ay, lak. Happy utang.
Pag-asa.
Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday to you. Maligayang birthday. Maligayang happy. Maligayang birthday sa'yo.
Mga ayaw niyo sa iyong message na para kay Sir na nagpa-surprise.
Ganda-ganda. Wala ko nag-expect. Akala ko kasi na wala siya naka-remember. Pero, thank you. And I miss you so much. Nakaka-excited na kayo kung makakita ka ulit. Wow! And, I love you so much. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am!
Happy ka? Oo, sobra. Pati kung na dyan pag-asa.
Joke lang, Ma'am.
Gani, siya lang magdamay sa pag-asa.
Sige, pangalan sa imo, ha ba?
Oo.
Happy birthday, Ma'am!
Thank you.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is over.